To lay down or?
Yeah. Give me 1 second here. Can I steal the thingy?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. So jump on.
Okay.
There we go. Gonna move this chest a little bit, okay? There we go.
This is our 5th stop for the day. We're so exhausted.
Well, we'll give you a little break, okay?
Yeah.
There we go. All right, I'm gonna just let you stretch for a split second here. There we go. How's the sciatica holding up?
It's the usual, painful.
Painful still? Getting a little worse as the baby gets a little bigger?
It's actually the same.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I mean it's painful every day, but at least like my leg doesn't give out, so that's a good thing.
So there's a silver lining. Is it painful?
No,
No? Okay. How about this one?
no.
That?
No, it's just sore. I've been Theragunning it quite a
Okay,
bit.
okay. Well, they do feel kind of a little bit on the stiff side to me, so they're not providing any pain, which is that's always good. Any difficulty breathing?
No.
No? Okay. How's the calves holding up?
I mean, they're okay until you touch them.
I was doing great! Alright, then you start poking at it, huh?
Yeah.
Jeez. Long time, huh?
Well, I got 9 weeks left. I'm almost there.
9 weeks and counting, huh?
Yeah.
That's alright. It only gets worse from here. We're playing a losing game for about 9 more weeks and then we're going to be winning.
Yeah, well, I don't know. I mean, actually, after the last adjustment, I think, like, I did pretty well. So it hasn't been too bad. I haven't been limping as much, so I'm like, oh, that's a
Oh,
good thing.
that's great. That's great.
Something's working.
Alright, we're going to use a little rapid release on that muscle, okay?
Okay.
I'm actually going to stop this right here. I'm going to go right down like deep down here and loosen this up. And go right over these calves. Yeah, this is probably making you feel alive, huh?
Yeah. It's okay. I'll feel better once it's done.
Here. And you can tell your muscles are very, very tight. Well, I'm glad you came in.
Yeah.
That's definitely going to help you quite a bit here. And if you guys want to check us out, as always, you can go to AmazingLifeChiropractic.com. All right, let's take care of this right here. Right in here. You can feel all this tension, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is this shoulder giving you problems?
I mean, my whole upper is just super tight. I mean, I wake up, I'm like, oh man, I'm sore, but I mean, it's an everyday thing. So.
All right, I'm gonna sneak right in here. Let's take care of this ribs here, this whole upper thoracic area. Again, a little push. I'm gonna switch over this way. Jeez, so tight.
That one was very tight.
Yeah. Well, we'll take care of this a different way. Let's have you stand up. Let's steal that big pillow from you. Awesome.
Okay.
All right.
Laying.
Yes. Actually, let's go lay that way.
Okay.
On your side.
Okay.
Alright, move down for me. Alright, let's secure that thing. Awesome, there we go. Hey, you know what you're doing. One more, okay? Oh, one more.
Oh, there it goes.
Let's go around the other side.
Oh, so nice. Okay.
Small things in the lip.
Yeah.
Let me seal that. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Yeah, one more. Good. Go ahead, on your back, please. There we go. Bottom leg straight. All the way straight. There we go. Now let's see what's going on.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's tight.
This little side's still giving you trouble, huh?
Yeah. I mean, the whole left side feels super tight.
Yeah, well, let's release it just a little bit here. I'm going to do this before we get to your mid back. That way.
Oh, wow.
Just a little bit here, nice and gentle. Ish.
Yeah, no. It'll feel good afterwards.
There we go, just a little bit. All that popping sound is that exactly what we want to hear.
Oh, I love the popping sound.
That's actually, we're actually hitting those tendons in there.
Oh.
And the muscle is just breaking up a little bit of that scar tissue, so that's what we want.
Nice.
So whenever you're actually going to delivering, it should be nice and smooth.
Sweet. Loosen me up.
Well, we don't want any complications. Give yourself a big bear hug, okay?
Oh, my favorite.
Alright, same thing, nice and easy. There we go. And one more, okay? Good.
Oh, so nice. Oh, sweet. Want me to take my earrings off?
Yes please, that'd actually be great. Okay, you know what? If you don't mind,
Yeah.
a little technical difficulty.
Oh, no worries.
Yes. I'm gonna do this here. And I'm gonna lift your head. One second. There you go.
Good.
It's the small things in life.
Oh, I know.
Alright, let's give a nice little push here. Feeling all of this tender?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, nice. Oh, one more, okay.
It's really tight. Whoa.
Oh yeah, that's okay. Well, there we go. Now we get it back in here, and one more, okay?
Oh, wait. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow.
All right, perfect. You're holding on the.
Are you doing my favorite now? The pulling of the whole.
Yes, I'm gonna pull your whole body.
Oh,
There you go.
yes.
Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Nice, open up all those hips. Actually, let's do this here. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna move the whole table up just a little bit. That way I have some room to work with there.
Nice.
There we go. And the same thing, just keep holding on.
Yep.
And let's see if we can relieve some of the pressure of these feet here. So that way, as you walk around, it doesn't give you too much problems. One.
Oh, nice.
There we go. Good.
Oh,
And last one. There we go.
oh, sweet.
All right. Same thing this side. There we go.
wow.
That's what we want here.
That was loud.
And I'm gonna give a little push here and a little push there.
Oh, whoa, what was that? That was cool. Because this is the leg I sprained when we went to the cabins.
This is double secret. I'm not telling you.
Oh, wow. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, nice. Thanks.
Okay.
Oh, this feels so good. Oh,
Let me seal this. There we go.
nice.
Draw the whole shoulder down. I'll give it back to you. I promise. It's past Halloween. We don't collect body parts. There we go.
Cool.
All right, let's have you stand up. Let's take a look at your wrists. There we go.
That's so cool. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so when I'm pulling on these, I'm actually not just pulling on the fingers themselves. I'm actually going after these bones here.
Oh, nice. Oh,
There we go.
that's so cool. Wow.
And drop it down, all the way down. There we go. And let me seal this one. So that should be able to give you the opportunity to keep up with your kiddos.
Yeah, nice.
All right, awesome. Do me a favor, look in the camera. Say hi to your fans.
Say what?
Just say hi.
That was a great adjustment. I love it.
No.